Creating a digital vision board is a powerful way to manifest your goals and dreams. With Canva, you can easily design a personalized vision board that inspires and motivates you daily. Start by visiting Canva's website and selecting a vision board template that resonates with your aspirations. You can choose from a variety of pre-designed templates or create one from scratch using custom dimensions. Once you've chosen your template, begin by uploading images that represent your goals, whether it's a dream vacation, a new career, or personal growth. Canva offers a vast library of free stock photos, or you can upload your own images to make the board truly personal. Next, add empowering words, affirmations, or quotes in photos that align with your vision. Use Canva's text tools to customize fonts, sizes, and colors to enhance the visual appeal. Arrange your images and text in a way that feels harmonious and inspiring. You can use grids or frames to organize the elements neatly. Once your vision board is complete, download it in your preferred format, such as PNG or PDF. You can set it as your desktop wallpaper, print it out, or share it with others to keep your goals front and center. Remember, the key to an effective vision board is clarity and emotion. Choose images and words that evoke positive feelings and represent your true desires. By regularly engaging with your vision board, you'll stay focused and motivated on your path to success. Creating a digital vision board with Canva is not just about design, it's about setting intentions and visualizing your future. Take the time to craft a board that truly reflects your dreams and let it serve as a daily reminder of the possibilities ahead.